Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today was a pretty crazy day, but when all the dust is basically settled, not a whole lot happened. What do I mean by that? Well, not a whole lot has happened relative to these areas that I've talked about in past videos and this sideways range that is formed. So yeah, the price did actually start off, and this was the big sign of power on the day, is that the price actually broke down through this little sideways channel to start the day. But to give full credit where credit's due, made a very nice move back up above it. The bears tried again to press back down, and then, you just can't make this stuff up. Crazy. Then it bounced right off that green line, and then, a little miniature bounce right there. So the point here being $62 definitely remains a very, very important level of support moving forward. And while it was violated earlier, the price was able to get back above it, and then, as I pointed out, held once. So that's going to be, a very important level that a lot of people will continue to be watching moving forward, and rightfully so. It's, becoming a very distinctive area as far as the chart is concerned. And then on the flip side of things, the other level that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is that red line up here. And that area right there is, at the $65 mark. So $65 is that level where, while nothing is guaranteed, it's a more than valid, it's a more than plausible thought to have that, if the price comes up to 65 and can break up through there, then that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's going to be a level that, like I said, all breakout players out there are going to be watching and wondering about. And when you have that many eyeballs watching an exact specific level, if it can be broken, then, that can certainly, just create a bunch of self-fulfilling prophecy type momentum in the first place. So overall, though, just really a pretty straightforward chart. $62 key level of support, $65 key level of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.